Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to find PayPal routing number. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com or of course go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the PayPal application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the home, send, wallet, activity and help. We have the send and request. And guys, of course, we have some other options here as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find the PayPal routing number. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, as I said, you just need to go and log into your PayPal account and click the settings icon, which is in the top right corner as you can see guys. Click there, and here you will have these things here pop out. Now what you need to do guys is go to set up your new direct deposit. When you go and click on that, then you just need to go and click on your routing number and account number will be displayed. You can also find the routing number in the PayPal mobile app or by checking your account information. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to this channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys!